zones, the marine stock. We are not convinced that the future holds right for the youth. Pandemic, we believe that when you rise to the presidency, you are going to formulate and strengthen the
of the party ANC. Please welcome with me Mr. Simon Giguru. Come on.
In pursuit of a great Kenya, my party leader believes that the future belongs to those who have faith in the beauty of their dream. One kind, but all of us, the 45 million of us. The leader is a servant. We welcome all of you in this journey. Same again. And we believe, but with you, that
hawana budi wanajua umefikiria, and you've widely you. God bless you. God bless Kenya.
Hizi business naona like nika hii biashara yengi kwa so yengi business nyingine, but naona as in kila mtu ana conclude lazima ukae na 100 ama 150 kiendelea juu. Ningependa kama misali ameendelea kutoka hata kama kwa mdomo wake, at least unaweza pata kamera uende naye kwa flight.
Who believes in young people, a mentor and a father to individuals to hold this nation captive. We have the power to break the fetters and free the soul. In my party leader and in ANC, we have a vision to fix our ailing economy.